guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a fruit for thought for August. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the August fruit for thought box just arrived. I'm excited to see what is all going to be in here with the theme and all of that. So let's go ahead and dive in. I don't remember what this theme is, but with my 3-month subscription, this is my second box, so I have one more left. So you guys let me know if you want me to renew it, if you want me to hold on for a while. Let me know down below what you want me to do, because again, I have one more box left for my 3 months. So when we open it up, you have a paper right on the top, and it says our postcards didn't come in time. This is what's in the box. Love, Pam. So it's just like a printout of what's on here because the postcard didn't make it in time, but they shipped the box so we can get the box on time. So that's awesome. I don't care about the postcard. I care about what's inside the box. Here is their tissue paper, always with the fruit and vegetables, because it could be a fruit or a vegetable theme. And let's see here. There's a sneak peek to the presentation of the box. Let's go ahead and dive in, get some squiggles out of the way. I see some socks. Is that some socks? It is. What is the theme for this month though? Let me see. August is watermelon. I think it's something with watermelon. Hold on. And now I'm getting excited. I love watermelon. Was it watermelon? August theme is watermelon lemonade. I'm really excited now. Watermelon lemonade. So with the lemonade, we have the lemonade socks. Hold on, they definitely have like all these little things from the squiggles that are on them. You just gotta wash them first. But they do say on the bottom, Living Royal, I think it says. Yeah, Living Royal, that's the name of it. Classic ankle socks. So you have one pair of socks right here. Crafted from the highest quality fabric, these classic ankle socks with lemons offer unparalleled softness and a cozy fit that keeps your feet warm all day long. The seamless toe seam ensures there's no irritation. Super padded soles provide extra cushioning for your every step, and with ribbed tubing for a snug fit. And they are really nice and thick. So you have one pair of lemon socks for the lemonade part. I'm really, really excited about the watermelon part. Ooh, it says watermelon burst gummies. They're huge balls in there too. Those some big balls. This thing is like so squishy. I don't know, that's what it's filled with. But it definitely tastes like watermelon. Lizo watermelon shaped gummies with jam centers are each wrapped in an individual casing. Trending on social media, watermelon gummies is both delicious and fun. So again, there is that with these big balls down inside. Lemonade tote. So we have a tote bag. Lemonade tote by the Mahogany Store, I think that says. Hand screen printed 100% cotton, machine washable in cold water. Perfect cheerful summer tote. So it's not large. It's like a small little individual bag, which is the perfect size when you don't want to carry a whole bunch of stuff. And it has these lemons all over. And of course, I love the teal background print. But that is so cool. I think I'm just gonna toss this in my car. So whenever I'm going or coming or anything, if I have to like have extra stuff and I only have 2 hands, I can toss it inside of here. I can always stick it like behind my seat or in the back of my car. But I think that's what I'll do with this one, is keep it in my car because it's super, super cute and I can use it just to haul things here and there. There is the tote. Okay, so now we have, it says Belle and Bear Sweet and Sassy Watermelon Foaming Shower Gel and Bubble Bath. I will use it as a shower gel. I don't take baths. But it says say goodbye to dry skin and hello to fruity fun. So there's that. Freshen up your shower routine with our Sweet and Sassy Watermelon Foaming Shower Gel and Bubble Bath. Its playful scent and foaming formula will leave you feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day or night. Say goodbye to boring showers and hello to a sweet and sassy experience. That's a great little size too. And I do like that it's a pump. So you can I can put on my loofah or a sponge, whichever. And I will definitely use it as a shower gel. So I think there's something else in here. Yes, there's one more thing in here, right? Yes. This is a Rachel Couture Lip Duo. Soothing lip oil in watermelon, and then soothing lip gloss in watermelon. So you have a twofer, both of them being for your lips and both of them being watermelon. Indulge your lips with the perfect blend of nature and luxury with this fruit-infused lip gloss and oil duo in watermelon. Thoughtfully curated to transform your lip care routine. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the clear side, which is the watermelon oil, lip oil. It smells so good. There's actually little watermelons down inside of the lip oil. That is so cute. And it definitely tastes and smells like watermelon. And I love watermelon, so I'm super, super excited about that. So that is everything that came down in this watermelon lemonade August box. So you have the twofer lip duo, you have the bag, the shower or bubble bath, you have the candies, and you have a pair of socks. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for the August box. What do you think of the theme? What do you think of all the products inside? What would be your favorite? Definitely let me know. If you want to know what the other themes are moving forward, I can tell you what those are. So October, pumpkin spice, and then November is banana pudding, and then December says cherries jambalaya, however you say that. And I love that she does actually show you the 3 months in advance. So if there's a theme that comes up that you're not interested in, then you can pause it or you can cancel or that kind of thing. So I do love that there's 3 months in advance to know what the themes are going to be. So if you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know the pricing right about now. I do have my own code, which is Crafty10, and that will save you 10% off if you are interested in signing up. If you want to go month per month, it's $44.99. A 3-month prepaid plan like I did was $128.97. Boxes ship on or about the 17th of the month. And they also do like a one-time gift box that's not renewing. That's what I started with this one. So if you want to do that, you can do the one-time box, which is $48.99. I will have them all listed down below. And again, Crafty10 will save you that 10% off if you are interested. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything now for this particular video. So comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.